Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. So as you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a tag, and today's tag is my makeup style tag, and this is actually by Kelly Gooch. I saw it on Lisa One or Lisa I here on YouTube, and it consists of 10 questions. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. And all of the questions are down below if you want to give those a look, if you want to do it, recreate it, write them down or whatever. I have them provided down below in the description box if you want to do it as well. The first question, what kind of eye primer do you use and why? Liquid eye primer or shadow stick? So as of now, I only have one eyeshadow primer, and it's actually a moussey texture. It's the Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer, and it was the one that I received during Christmas time, and that's actually my last one. After that one is out of my collection, I am gonna just stick to using concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I don't see like a big difference with them, so I'm just gonna stop purchasing them and start just using regular concealer like I used to. But yes, I use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance one. Let me know if you used that one before. It's okay. I feel like it's just so once you blend it out, it's really kind of oily, like on the lids. Let me know if that happened to you as well. Question number 2 has 2 parts to it. 2A, what color eyeshadow makes you feel bold and pretty at the same time? The color eyeshadow that makes me feel bold, I would say, is green or like blue. Like I feel like it's funny because on Tuesday I wore like this green, I used a Subculture palette and I used the greens in there and stuff, and I just feel so weird because I've been just sticking to this kind of makeup, kind of light, because I am using my Maybelline Soda Pop palette for the month of March. So, you know, and then to get out the door quicker, I just throw on an orange in the crease or whatever. So I've been sticking to more like everyday-ish kind of colors, whereas before I used to do like bold eyeshadow looks to work. But lately I haven't been wanting to wake up as early, so you know, it takes longer. So I'd say like greens and blues. Like I don't know why it's like super bold. I'm not scared to do it because I do it all the time, but it's just like bold. Like that's the shadow that I say sticks out. It also can make you feel really like beautiful at the same time, because blue and green kind of brings out the beauty in like brown eyes and stuff. So yeah, that would say blue and green. 2B, what eyeshadow do you least like to wear and why? I'd say, oh man, this is a little tough because I wear a lot of different colors. The color, like eyeshadow that I feel weird in is pink eyeshadow. I've done a couple of videos wearing like pink shadow, and I just feel like it looks so weird on me. I don't know what it is about the color pink. I love it like in makeup, and I'm like, oh my god, that color is beautiful, but once it's on me, like I don't know why, like I feel like it doesn't go, you know, like there's some colors where you just feel weird and you're like, I don't like this color on me, like I'm never gonna wear that again. So pink eyeshadow for me is like something that I feel like doesn't look that great on me. Number 3, do you wear liquid or pencil eyeliner, black or brown liner? So I do wear black eyeliner, and usually it's liquid. I don't really like using pencil liners to do wings or anything. I do use pencil eyeliners in my, like, you know, when you tight line, and then some on the bottom just to kind of smoke it out. And usually if it's liquid liner, I stick to black. Yeah, I've been wanting to branch out and try like a dark brown eyeliner, but I don't know. Yeah. Number 4, CoverGirl or Maybelline mascara? CoverGirl, I remember, I think my first ever mascara was from CoverGirl, or was it Maybelline? Maybe it's Maybelline, because Maybelline had a lot of mascaras. Like when you go to the drugstore, they have so many. I'd say Maybelline. I don't know if I've ever tried CoverGirl mascaras. Maybe I have. I don't remember. But I'd say Maybelline just to be safe. Number 5, if you could have brows permanently done or not wear any blush for the rest of your life, which would you choose? Oh man, I would choose to have my eyebrows permanently done, just because that's like the least favorite part of my makeup routine, and just to have them done would make everything so much easier. Yeah, I would choose that. I mean, I love blush, but I'd rather have my brows done. Number 6, does your best friend or you wear more makeup? I'd say in my inner circle or my close circle of, you know, people I work with, friends and family and stuff, I'd say I'm the one that wears the most makeup out of people around me. Like people kind of know about makeup, and also I know the most. Number 7, who taught you how to do makeup? Actually, my mom used to do her makeup in front of me and stuff, and I was always really curious and would go in her stuff. Even like my grandma has like a little bag of makeup in her restroom that I would look through. But to teach me, the first time that I wore like a full face of makeup was for my quinceañera, and it was like a makeup artist who came to my house and did my makeup, and it looked really beautiful. And then ever since then, I think she like let me keep some of the stuff from that party. And then it's just like videos, YouTube videos. My mom did take me to like the MAC counter and stuff when they do your makeup for you, and they try to teach you tips and tricks and stuff. Yeah, I'd say my mom's very encouraging of makeup, like for me to learn. And I really always been curious about it. I really love makeup now. Number 8, are you a fan of cream products? Blush, bronzer, contour, etc. Why or why not? I don't really use cream products. I do own a cream contour palette from e.l.f., but I don't use it. I really want to just get that out of my collection just because I'm not a fan of cream products. I don't know why. I feel like they just fade away once you blend them out, and there's like no point to it, especially like in the mornings. Like I'm not going to want to do that extra step. I feel more comfortable with powder products. That's just me. I don't know why. I feel like it's just an extra step because you're going to put powder over it anyway and it's going to cover it. But I guess I would understand if you have like a dry, like if you use more luminous products because you're not really using a lot of powders. But I don't know. I've always stuck more to powder products. Number 9, are you a project panner? What projects are you in right now? I tried a project pan. I did start my Inside Out project pan. I had that going for a while. I am currently doing my Live Love lipstick project pan, which is where I'm trying to pan 12 lipsticks. I'm kind of getting discouraged. Like, I don't know. I kind of want to give up, but it's just tough. It's tough to like stick to one thing. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so far I'm in one project pan. I like get into it, you know, when you're excited about it at first, and then it's like a couple months passing, like, oh, like why did I do this to myself? So I don't know. I'm gonna see how that goes. It's just like getting to me right now. But I do love to project pan. I love to pan stuff. I've been posting more like pictures of my like makeup that's getting pan on it on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, I'll have it a link down below to it. But I don't know. It's like waves. Like sometimes I'm really into panning stuff and I'm into project pans and I'm looking at it. I like to look at videos on YouTube of project pan and panners and just see the progress because it's really fun to see that. But yeah, I am in one at the current moment. And the last one, setting spray. Do you believe in it? Which is your holy grail? I believe setting spray works. I feel like when I am at the end of my makeup looks powdery because I am oily. I probably look a little sweaty right now because it's hot in here, but I use a lot of powders. So like once I'm at the end of my makeup, I do look powdery, and I feel like setting spray does work. Like once you spray your face, right now I'm using my Beauty Creations coconut setting spray, and that one I've really been enjoying, and it's only like $4.99, and it just like meshes everything together and my face just looks like nice, and it doesn't look powdery at all. It just looks nice and natural. So that one's one that I really enjoy. I really do feel like setting spray works. And also the Milani Make It Last setting spray. That one was an amazing setting spray and it smells so good. And I really wish I could repurchase, but it's just too expensive. It's like $10 or $11 or something. But yeah, we made it to the end. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. All the questions as well as some videos that I uploaded last week will be down below in the description box if you want to check those out. I'll have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of finds from drugstore to high end, so if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. Don't forget that I upload every Tuesday, every Thursday, and every other Sunday, so if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I also have a makeup page on Facebook, so if you still have Facebook, go ahead and follow me there. That would be great. It would be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You are your own person and you make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.